most important component of your automation plan is data. However, manually entering in data is time-consuming and error-prone. While OCR captures some of your structured data, it cannot handle variations. And as for semi-structured and unstructured formats like email, handwritten, cursive writing, signatures and images, OCR can't handle those at all. Outdated technology cannot solve your data challenges. But cognitive machine reading, CMR Plus, can. It's the only product in the world which allows you to configure and consume all types of data and can be scaled across multiple geographies in a single instance. Whether it is printed text, handwriting, cursive writing, or image-based checkboxes, signatures and stamps, you can do it all within the easy-to-use UI. Designed for the business user, CMR Plus uses AI and deep learning. No special technical skills are required for configuring and using CMR Plus. What is deep learning? Deep learning takes away the time and effort of supervised learning. It is a self-learning product that reads training documents and learns the variances. This provides faster time to value by significantly reducing the training time required. How do you know what your AI is learning? CMR Plus provides process transparency, so you can see exactly what the product has learned. Business users can view what the product is learning and see the visible correlation to accuracy and extraction outcomes. Integration is simple. CMR Plus standard APIs allow you freedom to easily integrate it into your enterprise applications. And with enterprise scalability, CMR Plus scales vertically or horizontally across business units, divisions, and geographies. Get faster time to value and greater ROI with CMR Plus. The only data digitization product that delivers self-learning, process transparency, greater ease of use, enterprise scalability, and digitizes all your documents and data, regardless of format, with high accuracy. AntWorks. Simply different. Visit ant.works to learn more.